Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, let's start learning online. Our today's topic is letter writing. So, today we are going to see what is letter writing. So, what do you mean by letter writing? What are the types of letter writing? And what is the format of letter writing? That means how we are going to write the letter. What are its different types that we are going to see in today's session. Now, what is letter writing? Written message conveyed from one person to another is called a letter. So basically, a letter is any communication that is done in a written form from one person to the other person. Now let us see the types of letter. Formal letter and informal letter. So formal letter are basically written for business or for the professional purposes. Usually these letters are written in a simple language which is very clear. Informal letters are the letters written for personal communication. It is very casual and it has an emotional tone. Formal letters are written to the principal, to the teacher, or for any other officials. Whereas the informal letters are written to the family members or to the friends for conveying some personal message within their family or friend circle. Now let's see the format. So here, as you can see, the first one is the sender's detail. In this we will include the name and address of the sender. Next comes the date. Here will be the date of that particular day. Then comes the receiver's details. Here we have to write the name and address of the receiver. Then the next is salutation. This includes dear sir or madam. Then comes subject. So in subject we write what the letter is about. Then the main part or the actual message of the letter is included in the body. After that comes the complimentary clause. So here we usually write yours faithfully, sincerely, with which we close the letter. Then comes the designation, that is the name and signature of the sender. Now as you can see, the subject, this is a special part which is given only for the formal letters where we specify the subject of writing the letter. Now we are going to see what is a formal letter and what is the format of writing a formal letter. Here, as you can see, every part is starting from the left side. As you can see here, we begin our letter with the sender's address. Then comes the date. The date here will be in the format. So take one example, 12th February 2020, or it will be 1st January 2020. It won't be in MMDDYY format. Okay. Then comes the receiver designation and address. And then comes the subject. Now this is very important because here you will specify what is the purpose of writing the letter in very short. Then it is followed by the main body of the letter, which will include the message of writing this letter. Then you can end with the complimentary clause, yours sincerely, with your name and signature. Okay. Here is an example given for the subject and expression of thanks. So here a student has written this letter to the librarian. Here the subject is request for home issue facility. So this letter is written by the student to the principal. Both the letters that I showed you are written using the format that we have discussed today. So our three parts of today's session was what is letter writing, what are the types of letter writing, that is formal and informal, and the format of writing a formal letter. So now try to write a letter using the format that is given in this video. Thank you so much, students. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.